Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the date and time on your Xiaomi phone. So you can see you can just set it automatically, but maybe you're in a different area or something like that. You don't have internet, I don't know. You can just disable this and then go to the time and select this. And you can set it manually. And then we got the time zone, select time zone, use location, time format, dual clock. So you can see when the current time is in different from the second clock right here, so we can just turn this on so you can have two different clocks, like one set in New York and one set in Manila or something like that. You can just set that on right there. And then to get here, it's very easy. We can go back. This is going to be under settings in the top right, under additional settings. So just swipe down from the top right, go to settings. And when you choose this, go all the way down on your Xiaomi phone to additional settings. And then we have date and time right here. And then just set it up the way you want. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.